Buenos dias, ustedes. Today we're going to work on making our cover letters. As you know, for the past week we've been working on target language resume writing and cover letter writing and email writing to prepare us for the dream jobs and goals we're reaching for. So today we're going to open up a new site to work on this. I'm going to be working on PicMonkey. So I'm going to have you type in PicMonkey up in the top left search bar.com. And it should take you to the site. Go ahead and click the official site, and I'm going to have you guys start a free trial. What it's going to have you do, as you can see, is it will have you type in your first name, your email, and a password, and you just press continue, and it should take you right to the right thing. But I have an account, so I'm going to go ahead and log in. And like I said, today we're making cover letters. So what I'm going to have you do is go over to the left on Edit New Image and click Templates here in the middle. The templates will take you to so many options that we'll be working with throughout the school year. These options include YouTube videos, Facebook, business cards, Snapchat, other cards, graduation cards, banners, you name it, it's here. But we're looking for a cover letter. We're going to go to all. I want you guys to pick a template that best fits you. We're going to make this cover letter completely creative and reflective of you. So for me, I like bold colors and I like format. So I'm going to go ahead and click this template. Next, what I'm going to have you guys do is go ahead and add your name to the top. And I want you guys to put in your profession in Spanish, as we've talked about, that we're all aiming for. So mine is profesora de español. Y ustedes tienen profesiones como doctores, o otras profesiones como hombres de negocios. Here on the left, I also want you guys to click on and put in your information as applied. So you put in the place where we live, and your phone number, email, and you can eliminate the Twitter, but if you want to add it, go ahead. Next, we're going to put in a picture. So if there's no space, just put it in a space. There's a space here, and what you go to do is go to the left and click Photos. Add your image on the top from your computer, and we're going to add our business photos. So come in big, but all you can do is shrink it down and move it to whichever spot you would like. Now, I want you to address the date, and this to me is the information I provided to you. And in the body, I want you guys to talk about the things we talked about in class. Your skills, what you're part of, your clubs, what you like to do, the job you want, why you want it, and what are your goals and objectives within the job. We talked about this in class, los habilidades, los objetivos, and now we're going to apply it in a well-formatted, fluid letter in the cover letter. What we can do also, since I want you guys to personalize these creatively, you can play around with the font and click any font that fits you best. You can as well do the size of the font, the positioning of the font, and other options here. You can flip it and make it speak backwards, but please don't do that because I need to read it. For the name, you can do like effects and outline and drop shadow and all in which what you want to do, and also erase. There's other features on the left that I want you guys to explore and utilize, such as effects and exposure. We can play around it. Turn up the brightness on my whole thing. Ooh, I wonder if we can do this on the photo. Let's test it out. Oh, press apply if you would like to. Photo, exposure, let's see, brightness. There we go. You can play around with it as much as you want. Oof, it's intense. Okay, and now you can do touch-ups to your photos. You can change the text. So go ahead back to my name, style, put new text on there. You can add graphics. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that. Add graphics. So for me, I like whimsy because I'm pretty whimsical. And I like this 90 Kids graphic. So I'm going to go add that. I think that's very fitting to me. As well as you can do different textures. And I like this foil idea. And add foil. Let's see. Oh, and it foiled the 90s kid graphic. Let's see what happens when it foils my picture. Oh, apply. Always apply. Or stone. We'll stone the picture. Let's see what happens. As you see, my picture is covered in stone. So we're going to press apply. There's other things such as more templates you can use, change your themes, comments, and so on. So I want you guys to explore this feature and write a cover letter, and you can export it to me by email. So all you have to do is go up here, press share, email, and then type in my email when necessary. And you can just unlock that feature when you need to. Guys, I'm so excited to see your cover letters and everything you're shooting for and the jobs you want and why you want them. I'm really excited to learn about you and help you in this process. We've set up all we need for these cover letters, but if you have any more questions or if you need vocabulary, please just email me and I'll be super happy to help.